Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta salad Indian style. First, select a small pasta shape such as elbow macaroni or fusilli for the best texture. Cook your chosen pasta until it is al dente, following the package instructions carefully. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it with cold water. This step is crucial to prevent further cooking and keep the pasta from sticking together, ensuring a perfect base for your salad. Next, let's create the vibrant Indian-inspired dressing. In a bowl, whisk together plain yogurt, a small amount of mayonnaise, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for tang. Incorporate essential Indian spices such as ground cumin, coriander powder, and a hint of turmeric for color and depth. Finish by seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and just a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Now, it's time to add the fresh components that make this salad truly special. Finely dice crisp vegetables such as cucumber, colorful bell peppers, and red onion for a delightful crunch. For added heartiness, consider mixing in cooked chickpeas or small cubes of boiled potatoes. Gently combine these ingredients with your prepared pasta and dressing. A generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a final squeeze of lime juice will brighten everything up. Once assembled, cover your Indian-style pasta salad and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste and texture. Serve this refreshing salad as a delightful side dish alongside grilled meats or as a light, satisfying main course on its own. It's perfect for picnics, potlucks, or any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.